You guys should be so proud of me. I was just about to start another project, and then I thought this would be a great YouTube video. So, the plan is to use this pallet wood. What am I doing? Okay, my forge is on my anvil stand because I don't want the forge on the concrete. So I've been hunched over like a little goblin banging away on my anvil because my anvil's on the ground because the forge is on my anvil stand. So I need a table for the forge. I found these pallets behind a grocery store. I asked very politely and they let me have them. They are great. They don't fall apart. It's solid as I beat up a plant. So the plan is take as much usable wood from the pallets, and then see if I can figure out how to make a table out of it for my forge. Oh, the video pauses my music. What's even the point? And that's one board from the pallet. This is gonna take a while. Here's a really funny joke. Minecraft. All right, so I took apart the pallets. So we got this. We have 7, 8 of those long, ooh, I almost fell over, of those long pieces, and then a bunch of these little guys, some skinny guys. So what I'm thinking, with all this lumber, we should build a sort of like octagon table, because I don't want to just build a normal table. That would look boring and would make a terrible YouTube video. So, octagon forge table. How cool does that sound? I'll make like a 3D model of it so it's more interesting. So now that we got the tabletop cut out, I'm going to pre-drill the holes for the screws to go into the legs because this wood is cracked enough as it is. Yeah, let's do that. So, problem, the table is way too tall. I just didn't really think of that. It's like up to the bottom of my chest. I'm 6'1", by the way. Anyway, I think I'm gonna just cut it right off the bottom. Guess what I've been putting off for several days because I'm so scared of this thing. Get off that. So I got 9 of them done. And I don't even know if I've explained it. I'm just doing the trim right now for the top, and then I'm gonna do the bottom as well. I'm just making sure that the top, that the trim is actually all lined up. Okay, so I started putting the trim on. It's pretty uneven because I can't cut in a straight line. Like right there. That's pretty bad. But also, I'm just gonna blame it on all the wood being warped. I am going to put the trim on hold because I need to cut the ends off of this. Alright, I need to rant for a second. This has probably been my least favorite project so far. I measured everything. I measured everything twice. Cut once, I did what they told. Okay, I screwed this in. This one didn't split this time, and I screwed these together, and now it kind of fits together, and you can kind of see what I'm going for. I'm feeling a lot better about this project. All right, as you can see, I've got the trim on the bottom done and the trim on the top done, and it's actually looking really cool. Like, I'm really happy with how it's going so far. Like, this is pretty cool. I think I'm going to cut like a hole sort of thing for these boards so I can fit the propane tank in there, because there's a propane forge. Okay, I apologize, it's starting to get dark because it's you know, I took a long time on this project, but man, look at this thing. Look at it in all of its glory. Like, perfect, like waist level, actually hip. It's right in line with my hip. Maybe that's my waist, I actually don't know human anatomy. But man, look at that thing. I'm actually so happy with this. It's not perfect, but man, I'm actually quite happy with it. Alright, so as you can see, the black spray paint isn't as noticeable as I thought it would be. Like, comparatively, I mean, yeah, you can tell it's different, but it's not that bad, honestly. Pretty decent. Yeah, I'm gonna wait until it dries and then I'll throw it in the shop. Okay, and here we have it. Look at my little forging setup. Isn't this so nice? So, I'll be able to... Oh, what if I turn it like this? Yeah, that's so cool. Oh, this is incredible. So I'll be able to actually like stand up here and hit it, and then just throw it in the forge instead of crouch down. Oh, this is so nice. How do you film a YouTube outro?